guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be trying out these new brow products that have gone completely viral online. Everyone's talking about them, everyone's raving on about them, and apparently they completely transform your brows and make your brows look like fully laminated, but without having to go into the salon and get the lamination treatment. And the products that I am referring to are the Pink Honey brow products. Like I said, they've just gone totally mental online. Everyone's talking about them. And these before and after pictures, like, damn. I'm so excited to try these. So these are the products that I am talking about, and they literally look like little pots of honey, which is so funny. I remember when I originally saw pictures of these going online and like videos of them, I was like, is that literally like a pot of honey? Like, are people putting honey in their eyebrows now? It's 2021, is this where we are now? But no, it's actually brow gel. They come in lots of different colors. I've got the original honey glue here, the original super hold, and then I've got the honey glue Cola Cubes tint and hold. So basically this one will tint the brows and hold them, and this one will just hold them. I'm really excited to try these. It's meant to give you perfect brows in literally 2 seconds, so let's do it. All right, so I've zoomed you guys in so that you can see a little bit better. I have absolutely no product in my brows whatsoever, and this is what they look like naturally. So, you know, I don't have the thickest brows, I don't have the hairiest brows, and a little bit of a closer look at the Pink Honey brow products. It's really interesting. Like I said, I thought they were originally pots of honey, but it's actually like, it's got a little well in the middle, and basically you wet a spoolie and you dip it in here and then you use it on the brows. Now the promises that we have here, designed for a super hold effect, to give the brows the lifted laminated brow look. It's meant to last up to 16 or more than 16 hours, and it's meant to stick the hairs down for extreme hold without being sticky and tacky. So let's just get in and try it. So this is one of the spoolies that do come with the product. You have to wet this in water. So that's what I've done. I have wet this in water, and then you stick it in here and you swirl it around. Oh my gosh, it actually smells delicious. It's got like a tutti fruity kind of a scent to it. Oh, and I do quickly want to say, if you are looking to shop these from the Pink Honey, I'm not actually sure where they're available in the US. It's a UK brand. They're available from Glamrator here in Australia. Glamrator is a really awesome like online makeup store. They've got heaps of indie brands, heaps of cult brands. It's a really cool place to shop. But I will find links and I'll pop them down below so that you can shop them depending on what country you are in. So I've loaded up the spoolie, and let's go ahead and apply it. It doesn't feel particularly sticky on the skin or anything. I wouldn't say, oh my God. Oh, guys. I have never had a brow gel work that quickly. Oh my goodness. It's made my hair stick like perfectly upwards. Oh, how much thicker and hairier do my brows look? This is definitely like the fluffy brow trend. We've seen it going around on Instagram for, oh my God. Guys, that's a pretty dramatic before and after. Not even brow soap does that to my brows, like traditional brow soap. I've got a very hairy eyebrow. I have got a very thick, hairy, fluffy looking eyebrow. It might be a little bit untamed for me. I'm gonna sort of more try combing them in, like on an angle. I think that'll be a better look. Oh, they definitely look laminated though. Oh my God. Yeah, this stuff works. It's always exciting when you know, eventually get your hands on a product that's been trending and that's been going viral, and you try it and it actually works. I've had so many instances where I've purchased products that are going viral on TikTok and I've tried them and I'm like, it literally does nothing. This stuff legitimately works, you guys, and somehow it's not tacky, it's not sticky on the skin. Like, I am so happy with that result. Whoa. And then the idea is, now that all the brows are upwards and looking so fluffy, oh my gosh, it's like also lifted that side of my face so much. It's made the eye look bigger. It's like an instant facelift. That is so cool. But yeah, basically you would then come in and fill in any gaps that you've got naturally in your hands. You can use a pencil. I'm using the Benefit Micro Filling Pen because it's the most natural looking thing ever. Well, there you go, guys. A little before and after. It does not look like the same brow. My brow definitely looks like I've had a lamination treatment. And bear in mind, to have your brows laminated, it's quite expensive. It took me 2 seconds to do it. I cannot believe the result. Let's move on to the other side and see what kind of result we can get with the tinted one. All right, so I've wet the spoolie again and I'm swirling it in the little pot. Oh yeah, the product's definitely a bit darker. See the tint on there? I don't really understand how this is going to be enough. I mean, obviously I need to try it before making judgment, but how this is going to be enough color to like actually tint my brows. And amazingly, even though like the spoolie is kind of like caked in the product, it doesn't end up all over your skin. I'm literally obsessed with this stuff, you guys. I cannot believe how well it works. And it's not sticky. Like, you know how normally like brow gels and brow soaps and they're like, oh, you just feel like your eyebrows are sticky. Like if you're going to go outside in the wind, you're going to literally have like dust caking in your eyebrows. That's always what I feel like. This stuff is not sticky at all. And I've filled them both in now. Honestly, I think that this is the best my brows have ever looked. I feel like it's the most natural, the most fluffy. And honestly, it was the quickest and the easiest. I barely had to fill them in because the way that it places the hairs and sort of molds the hairs, it kind of like naturally filled in the gaps on its own. I am obsessed, you guys. Definitely so exciting to see another viral product that literally works. I love the result and I definitely recommend this. So if you've seen them floating around online, you've been on the fence about whether or not to buy it, yeah, I totally think that this one is worth it. Obsessed. So let me know down in the comments, have you tried these products? What did you think? Did you have the same kind of results? Let me know all of your thoughts and also let me know if you're going to be picking them up. I'm excited to go down and show Brandon my brows, honestly. I feel like he's going to be like, whoa, you grew brows overnight. I'm impressed. All right, guys, I love you heaps. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.